Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is the monthly forecast for September 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon, and Rising sign. I have the cards laid out here. So let's get started. So we have High Priestess in the main theme. High Priestess is a very intuitive energy. High Priestess is very closely associated with Pisces. So anyone who is having a Pisces moon or ascending, do check the Pisces horoscope as well. So you may be a little aloof and a little detached. You may need to work on your mental well being to feel more in sync. Also, tune into your intuition. There will be a right opportunity coming your way. This is a good period, it will lead to new beginnings for you. If your work involves spiritual practice, expect your abilities to heighten at this point of time. High Priestess, like I said, also makes you very aloof and detached. So, you and your partner may be feeling a bit withdrawn from each other. Your partner may be finding you a little aloof and unapproachable. I see there is some decision or a deal breaker that need to be discussed between your partner and you. High Priestess also tells you not to act very hasty. Also, make your own decisions without being coaxed or getting influenced by other people. Since we also have a Six of Swords over here, it could even mean a spiritual travel. Let's come to the next position, that is what you need to release this month. We have a Seven of Wands and these two Oracle cards, which is building blocks and traveling lightly. With Seven of Wands, you are probably being too guarded, so you have to stop being very defensive and don't put too many barriers and boundaries around you because you are seeming to be quite unapproachable. For some, it could also mean that you are kind of getting too bogged down by nagging issues. You will have to stop having a victim mentality. It is time to show up for yourself and your life. These two oracle cards are beautiful oracle cards which tell you to leave the things which don't work for you anymore. Stop fighting minor issues and focus on the bigger things and bigger aspects of your life. Building blocks is telling you that now is the time to build your foundation. And traveling light is telling to leave whatever does not work behind. There could also be travel coming in for some of you since we have too many travel cards over here. Let's move to the next position. That is something new coming this month. We have Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and two of these oracle cards, Wise Leader and Faraway Places. This is an amazing combination. Knight of Pentacles and Six of Wands means there is success at work coming in for you. I also see a change of residence or a change of job. There could be some kind of a renovation happening at your house, or you might be investing in a property. Knight of Pentacles over here is telling you that while you are very hardworking, you have tremendous stamina, and you are very sincere at work, but don't miss out the big picture. Remain flexible, be open to change. Because Knight of Pentacles also represents some sort of stubborn energy. So assess yourself, admit your mistakes, re-evaluate, and be ready to plunge in for the success that you want to get. With Knight of Pentacles and Six of Wands, it could also mean some kind of a promotion coming in wherein you may have to relocate. Six of Wands and Wise Leader is a very strong combination signifying leadership. So not only some of you could move up the career ladder, like I said, there could be a change in location since we have a lot of movement cards over here. It also means that you could be a very inspiring leader and you can be an example to follow. With Six of Wands, I do see some proud moment coming in for you. It could be your success or someone in your family, be it your kid, be it your sibling, or even your spouse. Let's move to the home front. We have Four of Cups and Six of Swords. So home front, I surely see some movement happening. So I think with Six of Swords and Six of Wands, traveling light, faraway places, these are all travel cards. They are all movement cards. So there could be a relocation coming for some of you people, or it could be someone in your family or friend circle who is relocating, which means that you would be distancing yourself from people you love or people who are close to you. Four of Cups and Six of Swords, both of the cards are very discontent or they represent a very dissatisfied energy. So it could mean that you are not really happy with this change. Four of Cups also means that you may be just bored of the same routine or the mundane life. Since we are talking distance, it could even mean emotional distance. So some of you may not be in talking terms with your friends or family member or partner, or even trying to stay detached at work front. Four of Cups and Six of Swords together mean that you want a sea change in your life, but you are not really taking much effort in the right direction. I do see some separation coming in for couples who are facing some issues in their marriage or in their relationship. Since we do have a Two of Cups reversed, we will cover the Two of Cups reversed in the relationship reading in just few minutes. So with so much happening, clearly there is a High Priestess energy over here. Some of you are isolating yourself, or there could be an isolation period coming up for some of you. With Seven of Wands here, you may be probably exhausted to work around the solution at home front. But with Six of Wands here, some of you would be able to steer your journey at the right direction. Six of Wands is a beautiful card which tells us to keep on going towards our goal. So be courageous and fight your battles, whatever you are facing. Let's move to the work front. We have Page of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, lot of people energy. So it could mean that you are facing some kind of an opposition with these set of people or ecosystem at large, or you are just trying too hard to impress people. Page of Pentacles is talking about reinventing yourself in some way. For some, it could even mean there could be a start of new creative venture, or some people could even go and study further. Like I said, there is a new job coming in, there is a change happening. So Page of Pentacles probably will give you that opportunity to reinvent yourself so that you can adapt to the change that is going to come through. Page of Pentacles is also some kind of a recognition or a reward coming in. And plus we also have a Six of Wands, which is some kind of an appreciation coming in. So that's good news. With High Priestess over here, some of you people could even study further. It could even mean studying occult science or going for esoteric knowledge. Queen of Swords is your energy. You might feel you're under scrutiny and all eyes are on you, since we see so many people cards over here. Follow the rules, and with Queen of Cups over here, you would be able to grow and evolve and free yourself from unreasonable demands or bureaucracy around you. Let's move to the relationship reading. We have Seven of Pentacles and Two of Cups reversed. So when we have Two of Cups reversed in a reading, it changes the whole dynamic of this card. Because when this card is upright, it means happy couple, it means compatibility, it means soulmate, it means a lot of understanding between the two people who are really in love with each other. But when this card is in reverse, the balance and togetherness disappear or break down. The cups either fall or spill their contents. You no longer have the same feeling for each other. So balance is lost, and so is equality, and so is mutual respect for each other. So the two people over here don't feel the same for each other. So one of you may feel that you are getting dominated by the other person. So now you both are opposing poles, repelling or repulsing each other. The gulf between the two is widening. So if you're in a relationship or you're married, you may be ditching the relationship or the marriage because the two of you don't get along anymore. The two of you don't have that love for each other anymore. And with Four of Cups over here, it could also mean that one of you is extremely bored in the relationship. You don't see the thrill, you don't see the adventure. It could even mean that one of you has found somebody else. If you are in a relationship, it could mean that the person you are dealing with is moving too slow in terms of commitment and is not ready yet. With Knight of Pentacles, Four of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles, all these cards are signifying that your relationship is stuck. It's not ready to move to the next level. And also, it is stuck in a routine. There is a lot of dissatisfaction, or there could be fighting, nagging problems. With High Priestess over here, one of you is feeling detached or aloof. So you will have to introspect, you will have to get that thrill back in your relationship to feel the same people in the relationship. If you're single, I also see some of you falling in love with your best friend, but it could be one sided, or it could be that someone approaches you while you may not feel the same love for that person. With Knight of Pentacles over here, there is a chance that some of you can find love at work. But remember that the person would be having traits of the Knight of Pentacles, which means the person would be slow in responding to your feelings, or would not be interested in a long term relationship, or would not be ready to commit as of now. So you will have to see how it goes. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and give a thumbs up. Keep watching. Much love.